As a content creator, I face a lot of issues, and 95% of them are from video editing. First thing first, I'm 98% a Linux user, guys, and the rest of the 2% goes to Windows only for video editing. And even when I'm editing on Windows on a proper software, I face a lot of issues. Whether you talk about file management, like I always have to search for so many of files because I almost accidentally delete the video files. And I have to jump between websites for background removal, image extension, using AI to get some work done. Like my overall video editing process is just so messed up. That's a truth. And especially when I use 98% of my time on Linux. Because in my opinion, Linux is just the best operating system ever. Only if you know how to use the right tools. And till now, I was 98% Linux user, but from now on, I am 100% Linux user because I found the greatest video editing tool which is best ever suited for me till now. I can use that video editor from almost any device, and all my files, all my video editing files, all my video editing projects, all are in one place, and I can access them from any device, and it solves the big mess I had, like really, jumping from websites to softwares. Now, all the tools I need are at one place. I'm talking about a web-based video editing software, and I didn't know about it. I knew about web-based video editing software, but I didn't know that there was such a great video editing software with such capabilities. But luckily, FlexClip reached out to me and told to review their product, and here I am. And yeah, a spoiler, this whole video is made on FlexClip. So, you know how the video editor is, and I'm a person who is not that experienced in video editing, but I believe this is one of my best videos I ever edited. The quality of the video, the overall video editing process was just so smooth, and today I'm going to show that to you. Hello friends, I'm Om, and today we're going to dive in the fantastic world of video editing with FlexClip. So let's just get started, shall we? So here we are on the FlexClip's website. And as you can see, if you have ever used Canva, you can totally relate to that because it's almost as simple as that. You get like so many templates and every one of them is literally so damn beautiful. And when you hover over anything, you will show, like it will be an overview. Just take a look at everything. All the animations are so damn good, like really. Just take a look at it. Editing such thing actually takes a hell lot of time. But you can get that work done in seconds here. But the templates are not the highlight of it. The best thing I saw in this was the AI tools. Just take a look at all these AI tools which you get here. You have AI image to image generator, which means you can manipulate your image using AI, which really is awesome. And then you have text to image. Like really, you have text to image in a video editor. Then you have AI auto subtitles, AI text to speech. And if that's not enough, you have an AI music generator. So goodbye to copyright issues, alright? And that's not just it, you have AI background removal, old photo restoration, AI upscaler. That's the most used thing I do most of the time in my videos. Then we have AI image extender, which is like, this one was really needed. And then we have AI face swap. Who knew that you can literally swap faces here? Then you have AI photo colorizer and AI background removal as well. And if that's not even enough, they have a full-fledged AI video creator, like it's like text to video. You just have to tell it which type of video you want and it will create a whole video for you. And then we have AI auto subtitles. Like I don't use subtitles most of the time, but I know the pain of writing all the subtitles. And if that's not enough, you can change a 2D image into a 3D image. Then we have AI video scripter, AI video background removal. So say goodbye to green screens. And then we have an AI translator, like really. We can add multiple languages. That's just awesome. Then we have AI noise reduction, AI voice. Then we have AI audio noise reducer and AI vocals remover as well. So like it's a one-stop destination for a video editor. And today we're gonna edit a video on it. So just go to create a video and choose your aspect ratio. And yeah, not to forget, you have AI video editors. So I believe, why should I create a video of my own when I can use AI to do the same? Let's just go to AI video creator and ask AI to create a whole video for us. All we have to do is just enter a prompt. And if you don't want to do that, you can just paste the URL of an article or a video. Let's just go on with this one, alright? So I can paste the URL. Let's just create a video about Framework 12. If you don't know, Framework actually made an amazing 2-in-1 laptop, which is the Framework 12, and I'm so much in love with it. Like, really, just take a look at it. And not to forget, this is the most beautiful 2-in-1 laptop I've ever seen. And this is the most affordable 2-in-1 as per its specifications, and literally, this is one of the greatest products of frameworks yet. And I'm so much excited about it. So let me just copy this. Alright then, we don't have much. So I believe let's just go on to Framework 12 and go to a blog website, like maybe this one, their own blog. So there it is. Let's just copy and paste and we are good to go. Let me just choose the style. So as this is a video about framework, let's just go on with a white bar and then generate, and I believe it's pretty reasonable to charge just one credit per video. So let me just generate and let's just take a look at how long does it takes to create a video from scratch all by itself, just using an article, which is like just 2 pages long. That's it. Well, I believe it is working pretty fast. And here we are, and it took only literally almost less than a minute here. Well, here we are, and we can actually customize the voiceover as well. So let's say I want to make the video in English. I can also make it in Hindi, but let's just go on with English, alright? But I want a British accent. I want a male. Alright then, let's go on with Ryan. I want the speed to be like approximately 1.2 and the voice style should be cheerful. Okay, so this is it. It actually added slides by itself. We can also, replace the things by ourselves. For example, we can replace the media or add another scene here. Just like this one, let me just change a few things. For example, I'd like to replace this media. So I can just choose a video here. And they have a full stock library integrated to the whole AI video editor. So let's just go on with this one. Well, I believe I'm gonna go with this one. Replace. And now let me just replace this one as well. Computer. This one. Replace. And now let's just choose this one. Let me just go to PCs. This one. No, I want a video. This one, alright. Replace. And let me just let the rest of the video as same. Now apply. Well, choose a way we can. Alright then. I was actually adding all the stuff in a timeline which was already made. So let me just replace all the stuff from here and create a fresh project. So it's now generating, which is like combining all the stuff from voiceovers. Alright, that was way too fast. And it actually gave me a file here. And here is our video. Let me just mute it, alright? Because I don't want to disturb the whole video. Now, as we are here, alright, why am I muting it? So let me just, play it and show you the work of AI.
Today, we shared an early preview of the new Framework Laptop 12, a durable, repairable, upgradable, 12.2-inch touchscreen convertible notebook. This computer is the purest manifestation of our vision and product philosophy at Framework.
Alright then, now I can do all the video editing which I'm supposed to do. For example, just take the subtitle here, and now I was wondering, can I select multiple things all at once? Yep, I can. Now I'm going to reduce the font size to make it look a little better. Alright, now it is looking better. And now let's say I don't like the video which is running in the background. For example, it's stock footage, alright. So I want the new framework video to be working here. So what I'm going to do is to download the latest Framework 12 video which was on their website. So let me just right click here and save the video. And now go to the media and upload the files from here, from local. And as you can see, it is now uploading, and it's uploaded. So let me just drag and drop. Alright then, I have an idea. Let me just go to the timeline properly. So this is the timeline of one scene. So if I want to delete a scene, let's say like that, what's gonna happen is this: delete, and it will automatically realign everything. So let me just grab it and put it there. So now that video is actually replaced from here. Now what I'm going to do is just stretch it almost as much as I can, and here we are on the timeline, and it actually looks gorgeous. Let me just show you.
Today, we shared an early preview of the new Framework Laptop 12, a durable, repairable, upgradable, 12.2-inch touchscreen convertible notebook. This computer is the purest manifestation of our vision and product philosophy at Framework, and is in many ways the product I started the company to create. We build products to fix what we see as a broken industry, and few categories are as emblematic of the problems with consumer electronics as entry-level laptops. Instead, we believe these are the people who most need thoughtfully designed, long-lasting computers. We designed this computer from the start to take all of the upgradability and longevity of Framework Laptop 13 and bring it into a smaller, lower cost, more flexible, and more colorful form factor. We're introducing it in 5 box.
Alright, then there are a few clips which I don't like, so let me just remove them or replace them. So I'll go to the media, no, not media, I'll go to the video and search for like design, and I'm going to drag this and drop it here, which will instantly replace the video, and I'll do the same this one to there. Alright, this one was way too long, so I have a solution. I'm just going to grab it and drag it till it fits there, just like that. And now when I play it again, it's gonna be
Designed, long-lasting computers. We designed this computer from the start to take all of the upgradability and longevity of Framework Laptop 13 and bring it into a smaller, lower cost, more flexible, and more colorful form factor. We're introducing it in 5 bold colorways, each with an optional color-matched stylus. The two-tone look isn't just.
Now, in order to show you some other pretty benefits, for example, if I go to an audio and let's say I don't like the noise of it because there is a lot of background noise, I can just do this. I can reduce the noise in one click and it's done. And now let's say I have a very good song, but it has vocals on it. Let me just take a song. Now as you can see, I have a song which is Hymn for the Weekend, and I really love this song for sure. But due to some copyright issues, I won't be playing this song. But actually, I am gonna play it. But if there are any copyright issues, then I will do one thing, which is the obvious one. I will just mute that part through YouTube's video editor. So let me just drag and drop it somewhere. There it is. Now let me just remove this. Now I'm going to go there, go to the audio section, detach the audio, and there it is. Now delete this. Alright, I did it wrong. First I'm going to drag it to there. Good. Now I'm going to delete this and delete this one as well. So now I have Hymn for the Weekend as my background music. Now there's a lot of vocals in there. Yep, they are. So I'm just going to select it, go to the music section and remove the vocals. And there we go. This is the original video, the original audio, and this is just the background music. So let me just delete this and let's just listen to this song. Wait, let me just mute all these vocals. There I go, and mute them all. Now let's just listen. This was just great, like, just listen to it. All the vocals are now gone and it's just the background music, which I must say, I love this song. So the video is ready, but let me just delete a few parts. For example, let me just select this, and this, and this. Alright, so we can select in one timeline section, delete, 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 delete. That's it. Now it looks pretty clean. isn't it? And now what I'm going to do is just add a few elements like this beautiful subscribe button. This is a must have, alright? Let me just click it and here it is. Let's just take a look at it, alright? Oh yeah, I forgot one thing. Let's just get back the audio completely. And let me just mute particularly this one. Now you might be wondering why, but I don't want copyright issues, alright?
Today, we shared an early preview of
Alright, so there it is, and I want this like this big. It should be around here, and I'd want it when I'll be there. That's enough, I believe. Now we have a lot of GIFs as well, which are like pretty popular ones as well, and then there's masking this actual frame. Now that is something really good. Like, I really have to use so many PNGs just to use this stuff, and it's available here. This is actually a one-stop destination for me. Now talking about audio, then you have a full stock of background musics. All you need, let's just say I want a music. So I go to music and I just filter them. I want a happy, playful song. It should be from a genre of pop. Done. And now these are the ones, and these are just instrumentals, and most of them are copyright free, so don't worry. Good. Pretty okay. Now this one was good. You have a whole stack of all, like not all, like a very big library of music, and that's something I spend like hours and hours of time going from one website to another just to search copyright free music, and all of it is available just here. And yeah, let me just show you the transitions. Just take a look at this one, the brush, the abstract liquid. Let me just use it. And now
with consumer electronics as entry-level laptops.
Alright then, I forgot one thing. Whenever we apply a transition, don't forget to make it at least 1 second. But looks like I cannot. Alright, so it is limited because of the duration of the clip is very short. So let me just increase the duration here. Choose this one. And whenever we use it, it's gonna be just like that.
Instead, we believe these are the
Good. And now let's just add a few effects, if you know what I meant. For example, we have titles as well, and these ones are actually good ones. The minimum title, alright, this one actually looks good. Let's just use this one. So let me just click on it, and there it is. Click here. Alright, so now I need to add a text. So here we are on the picture, and there it is. And now as this is an effect, let's just add a title. For example, this one there. And now let me just drag this particular stuff a little up, and now this one a little big there, Linux. And now let's just change the font of it because I don't like that at all. Holy cow, these are literally one of the best fonts I ever saw. Like, I use Canva all the time and it has a big section of fonts, but this is beyond that. These are actually genuine great. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. Done. So let's just go back.
And few categories are as emblematic of the problems with consumer electronics as entry-level laptops.
And there we are. Now leaving that, there are a lot of tools as well. If you forget, we have a hell lot of AI tools. For example, if I grab a picture, well, it has an AI image generator as well. So let's use it. Let me just review the AI tools. God damn, these are just so gorgeous. So let me just ask it to create a Linux logo. A Linux penguin. At center, it's cute little penguin with a headphone and a gamepad. It's a wallpaper. Now let me just choose the styles. So let's just go on with vector. Now I want the ultra one. Let's go on with 16:9. No, let's just go on with 1:1. And I want 4 images. Generate. Holy moly, like these are actually one of the best AI text to image I've ever seen. Like, let me just show you right now. Alright, so I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to do the same. Copy, paste. Let me just ask it to generate an image of and do it. And now you're gonna see how great this is. Like, this is the most cutest and the most gorgeous vector I've ever seen. I really wanted to use any, like, just look at the quality. It is so beautiful. This is the text to image generator I was talking about. And this is the stuff made by ChatGPT. Well, let me just tell it, it's give me a vector. And now it is saying that it cannot. Alright. But literally, I'm just downloading it. This was just gorgeous. Now if I change the digital sign into something better, for example, a flat design, how can we forget? Now let's just take a look because the vector was just so damn awesome. Alright, the flat images are so good. Like, I spent hours and hours of time searching for logos of Linux, and these are just so gorgeous. Just take a look. Now that, let me just download this one as well, and this one, and this one. Now let's just go on to the 3D section because I'm going to generate a 3D image and turn it into a 3D, like actual 3D video. And if you remember, this actually has an image to 3D tool as well. Alright, these are actually gorgeous ones. So I'm gonna download 3 of them. Actually 4, all of them. Now let's just go back, go to the tool section, go to videos. Was it videos? Let's just go to popular. An AI image to a 3D animation. Like really, look at these animations. This was good. Now let's just upload the image. So let's just start with this one. It's processing. Well, yeah, there is one thing I noticed. Like really, out of all the AI tools I've used, FlexClip uses the most, like it is one of the fastest ones I've ever seen. Now, here is our animation, and if you can see, it's moving but not that much, so let me just increase the intensity. Now take a look at it. It's actually a 3D. Now let me just increase the duration to 20 seconds, but it's gonna then reduce the speed. Alright, now if we are talking about, nah, not that. Let's just go on with this one, circle. No, horizontal is actually good. Let me just increase the intensity. Now we're talking about it, but let's just go on with zoom left. Alright, then let's just try another picture. Alright then, so I've uploaded another picture and it's getting processed now. Like, I must say, the time it takes to process these images and turn them into 3D is so less. Just take a look. It worked a pretty great job. Let me just increase the intensity. And here it is. Alright then, now this was something. We can actually reverse the whole video. Okay, now let's just export it. We can actually create a GIF. And just in fractions of seconds, the video was exported right away. Now let me just add this to the media, alright? Added successfully, let's just go back. And it should be media. Here it is. Now let me just drag and drop. Alright then, it should be around this much, and let me just change the background to something better like this. No, maybe this. Alright, this one's better. Now if we just do
Problems
this.
with consumer electronics as entry-level laptops.
Alright then, I will need to remove the transitions in order to properly utilize the 3 seconds of 3D animation I made.
It's as entry-level laptops. Instead, we believe the
Alright then, let's just take a look at some other AI tools which are actually gorgeous. So we have an AI translator as well, which translates audio to audio as well. So it's already selected. Now let's say I want to make it in Hindi. There we go. We have different Hindi Indians who give their voice. Let's just listen to them.
भारतीय शास्त्र कला
No, not that.
आज कॉलेज में बहुत
No.
आयरन शब्द की
Nahi.
सिद्धार्थ ने भी शहनाज
That's the one. Now I want this one as a little high speed, like 1.3, and it's gonna turn all the scenes, all the audios into Hindi. Let's just try it. Translate everything to Hindi, and it's gonna translate the whole video into Hindi one. It's translating. You see, this gives me an idea. Why shouldn't I just start an AI channel in which all the content which is related to AI will be covered by AI? Well, pretty soon I will be doing that after my board examinations, and if you remember, I'm in the middle of my board examinations and here I am creating a video, but I really like the software and I'm literally passionate about using this video editor for my new channel's videos, which will be about AI by AI. but I'll start that project after my school. Now I will give it that. Translating every bloody audio file is heck of a job. And it's done, and it actually literally actually translated the whole subtitle section into Hindi as well. Let's just listen to it. All right.
आज हम नए फ्रेमवर्क लैपटॉप 12 और टिकाऊ की एक प्रारंभिक समीक्षा साझा करते हैं। मरम्मत करने योग्य, अपग्रेड करने योग्य 12.2 इंच टच स्क्रीन परिवर्तनीय नोटबुक फ्रेमवर्क उन्हें आमतौर पर लंबे समय तक चलने वाले कंप्यूटरों के लिए साइट पर सोचा है। हमने इस कंप्यूटर को डिजाइन किया है।
Alright.
धातु संरचना के साथ प्लास्टिक को मजबूती के लिए डिजाइन किया गया है। यदि आप कभी इस
Alright then, let me just tell you one thing, all the translator companies. You see, in India, we don't talk in pure Hindi. In India, it's more of a Hinglish. It's a combination of Hindi and English. For example, let me just translate. Alright then, I need to go back to English from here. And I could do that in just one click, like really, one click. Now then,
आज हम नए फ्रेमवर्क लैपटॉप 12
so here is all the Hindi files. So let me just choose all them. Alright, I cannot. Let me just go back. And here we are to our previous timeline with just Ctrl+C.
View of the new framework laptop 12.
Now let me just translate it myself. So it would give you an idea of how Hindi looks like in actual India.
Today, we shared an early preview of the new framework.
Alright then, so let me just translate it. Well, hello दोस्तों, आज हम लोग नए फ्रेमवर्क लैपटॉप 12 को समय से पहले आपके साथ अपना ओपिनियन और इसका प्रीव्यू देने वाले हैं। हम बताने वाले हैं कि कितना ड्यूरेबल है, कितना रिपेयरेबल है, अपग्रेडेबल है और इसकी 12.12 टच स्क्रीन कन्वर्टेबल डिस्प्ले बहुत मस्त है। और हमें कहना चाहिए कि ये कंप्यूटर आज तक फ्रेमवर्क की फिलॉसफी में परफेक्ट बैठता है और ये आज तक हमारी कंपनी का बनाया हुआ सबसे बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट है जिसको हम दिखाने के लिए काफी एक्साइटेड हैं। Well, actually, we also don't talk like that in India. Because what I just did was literally like translating something in the most formal way. And in India, nobody talks that formal, alright? So let's just leave that. But yeah, the translation was pretty good, so I will give FlexClip that. Now leaving that, we can add multiple templates directly to there. Let's say I want an outro, an intro. So let me just type intro. And there it is. And I can filter them from here as well. For example, I want landscape ones only. So here they are, and I actually got one. All I have to do is just choose the clip, drag and drop. So let me just add it there first. And let me just grab it all the way to the start. There it is. And let me just change a few things. For example, just that. And my name. And we're good to go. And now let's say I want an outro as well. So outro, and there it is. All I need to do is just drag and drop. Drag this, drop there. And let me just, delete these stuff because I don't need them. And it's pretty good, alright? Alright, so I believe that this intro is not that good, but it can be made that good just by using a few transitions. Just example these ones. So let me just increase the duration, add a sound effect as well, because we can. Alright then, let's just hear it out.
Today, we shared an early preview.
Alright then, that was so lame, but you see, just as a preview of FlexClip, it works pretty fine. Now let's just take a look at some others AI tools we have here. Alright then, let's just try the AI face swap feature. Hey, I know, let's just take this portrait of a traditional Japanese or Asian man. No, he's not Asian or Japanese. Well, it looked right from far. Now let me just upload my own face. Alright then, and let's just generate. And now let's see how I will be transformed into a very old guy. And it didn't work out pretty well. Well, actually it did. Just take a look at the difference. Well, the nose, the lips, the eyebrows and the eye shape and the whole structure of my face has actually been changed. Now let's just change that image into something else. Alright then, here we have an image of a literally awesome guy. And now I'm going to, change my face into him. No, I'm going to change his face into mine. That went out wrong. And if you go a little closer, then as you can see, it was a black man, so it didn't change the facial colors and stuff, things like the hair, but the actual face shape has been changed if you see it properly. The lips has changed completely, and the nose is definitely mine, and the overall bone structure of my face is definitely this like this, and along with the eyebrows, not to forget the eyebrows. Now let's just try some other images as well, which they have already. And now let me just upload a better image of mine, alright? Or I should let it just keep it. So let's try. And as we can see right now here, it actually tried to do a good job here. As you can see, the face shape has been turned to mine, but you see there are some problems. For example, well, it's the obvious problem. The person had neck beard, and the tool is all about changing the face. So it changed the face into mine pretty greatly. As we can see, the face structure has been changed, the skin complexion, the eyes, the shape of my eyebrows, the nose, and not to forget the lips. And actually, it also changed, if you know, the ears. Just take a look at the ears. I've attached earlobe and the person had joined, so it did it. Let me just add it to media as well. And it has been added. Let's just try some other ones as well. Well, we have AI text to speech as well. And this time I'm gonna go for English but American. Let me just go on with Andrew.
The Matrix series is a
Alright then, let's just go on with empathetic, maybe. And now, let's just add a few text here. So, if I'm not wrong, well, let me just use the AI video scripter. Create a video about framework laptop 12 2-in-1. Generate, and it's gonna create a whole video script for me. It was pretty good, and I can directly make it into a video, but I'm just gonna copy it, go back and go to AI text to speech and enter the text here. But as you know, it was just the script, not the text to speech, so I'm gonna use ChatGPT to do that. Grab the portion of speaking sentences and make a paragraph, and there it is. Now let me just copy it and paste it here, and let's just generate, shall we? And there it is. Let's just save it to the media.
Introducing the frame.
Alright then, so let me just drag and drop it here, and let me just delete these, and let's just play it.
Introducing the Framework Laptop 12, a versatile 2. The innovative Hinge Laptop 12, a versatile 2-in-1 device designed for creators on the go.
Alright then, let me just increase the speed of it. But I will need. Alright then, let's just go to speed and increase it a little like that. Alright, I had to go there. Go to speed and increase it like that. Now let's just listen to it.
Made from durable materials that combine elegance and functionality. The innovative Hinge allows for seamless transitions between laptop and tablet modes. Experience the power of touch with a responsive display that enhances productivity. The keyboard features a comfortable layout with backlighting for late-night work sessions. Stay connected with versatile ports, accommodating all your peripherals effortlessly. Your privacy matters. The built-in privacy features ensure you're in control. Powered by top-of-the-line hardware, the Framework Laptop 12 handles demanding tasks with ease. Enjoy all-day battery life. Designed.
Alright then, so let me just show you how you can export it. Just go to the export, choose the video format, and I can actually get 4K 30 FPS, or I can go for 30 but 60 FPS. And let's just choose the highest quality and export. Now let's just take a look at how much time it's gonna take to render the whole video. So as we can see, it's saying that it's gonna take approximately 4 minutes to create like a 2 or 3 minute video. Hey, it's not actually accurate. It's not taking 3 minutes. It's going way faster than what I thought, like really way faster. And it turned from 4 minutes to 2 minutes directly. So yeah, I believe FlexClip is way better than they advertise or tell us. And now it's just gonna take 1 minute. Now you see, like creating a 2 or 3 minute video of this much of editing and so many layers like that, it would take approximately 5 to 6 minutes on my laptop on a proper video editing software. But on here, on FlexClip, just a minute. And I have the option to directly upload from here FlexClip to YouTube, or I can just create a shareable link and the video will be stored here, so don't worry. And as I'm seeing, it almost took a minute, but actually less than a minute, and the rendering process is done, and my video shall be done, getting downloaded any second now. There it is. Holy cow! It downloaded 417 MB of file directly. Like,
Framework Laptop 12 hand durable materials that introducing the Framework Laptop 12, a versatile 2-in-1 device designed for creators on the go. Crafted with a stunning exterior, it's made from durable materials that combine elegance and functionality. The innovative hinge.
I will say, the quality of the video is just across the roof. And now let's just go back to the official website, shall we? There we are. Well, it's not the official website, it's the editor, homepage or dashboard of sort. And now it has a lot of other options as well. It provides us the ability to create a team and allow a whole team to work on a project simultaneously. It has cloud space of 100 GB, which is in my plan. It has a lot of templates, and not to forget the AI tools, which I showed you all the major ones right away in this video, and yeah, that is why the video was so long. And now let's just go to the pricing section. First thing first, FlexClip is available for free, but you're gonna get some limited tools. Not that limited, but it's gonna be great, alright? But if you want to go professional in this thing, then you must upgrade it. As you can see, you're gonna get 720p HD downloads, one stock video per day, one stock audio not per day, per project, and then you have one stock audio per project as well. So let's say you've got a free copyright free background music, a good stock video, and free trials of AI features, and a maximum of 12 projects online. After that, you will have to get a plan. Now then, they have the Plus version, which allows you with 1080p Full HD downloads, 5 stock videos per day, 5 stock audios per day, and 300 AI credits a month. And not to forget, in the free version, your video is gonna be limited to 10 minutes, but here, unlimited video length, custom branding, 30 gigs of cloud storage, 100 gigs of video hosting space, and no FlexClip watermark. While if you like just with a little more than that, you can get the business plan, in which you have 4K Ultra HD downloads, unlimited stock footage, unlimited stock audio, 800 AI credits, unlimited video length, not to forget 100 gig of cloud storage, and a terabyte of video hosting space. That's just awesome. And yeah, not to forget, pretty cheaper than what Adobe has to offer. So all in all, I believe FlexClip is a wonderful AI video editing software which can be used on any platform, whether it's Windows, Linux, or Android. All you need is an up-to-date Chrome browser, that's it. And with that being said, I hope you have enjoyed the video, and if you do, then subscribe for more awesome tech videos uploaded on this channel non-consistently. And I'll meet you in next video. Till then, I am signing out.